Second question. Rosette of leaves and tuft of roots. Rosette of leaves and tuft of roots are characteristic of. Option A, strawberry. Option B, Eichhornia. Option C, grass. Option D, jasmine. Tell me, what will be the option? What will be the option? What will be the option? Option number B. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Option number B. Option number B, very good. Now, suppose I give you this question that taproot for food storage. Taproot for food storage is found in number 1, sweet potato, asparagus, turnip, and option D is your potato. Tell me, what will be the answer? Taproot for food storage. Taproot for food storage. Taproot for food storage, boys and girls. Taproot for food storage. YouTubers, can you hear me? YouTubers, can you hear me? Can on Zoom answer? Taproot for food storage is sweet potato, asparagus, turnip or potato. Answer is your turnip and beetroot. Sweet potato and asparagus are modifications of adventitious root. Potato is a modification of stem. I have mentioned taproot. I have mentioned taproot. Sir, please sit outside. Okay? Answer is your turnip, taproot for food storage. Those who are saying option D, potato is a stem. Sweet potato and asparagus are adventitious roots. Next. Number 4. Respiratory roots. Respiratory roots of mangroves. Respiratory roots of mangroves are option 1, aerial root. Option B, pneumatophore. Option C, pneumatothode. And option D, both A and B. Tell me, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Respiratory roots of mangroves are aerial roots, pneumatophores, pneumatothodes, both A and B. What will be the answer? Answer will be option D. Respiratory roots are coming up. They are coming up. That's why they are aerial roots. And they are also known as pneumatophores. So answer will be both A and B. Answer will be both A and B. Rosette of leaves and tuft of roots is Eichhornia. Offset. It is a offset. It is a offset. Remember this. Remember. The roots that are coming up are aerial roots. What is the meaning of aerial? Above the ground. Roots are always under the ground. Come on, tell me next question. Now you will tell me next question. Number 5. Banyan has aerial root, taproot, prop root. Read the question properly. All of the above. All of the above. All of the above. Tell me answer. Answer is all of the above because prop roots are above the ground. So those roots are known as the aerial roots. Am I clear? Yes or no? Answer will be all of the above. Banyan has aerial root, tap root as well as prop root. Answer is D. Answer is D. Sixth question. Sixth question. Primary root. Primary root is replaced in. Primary root is replaced in banyan, wheat, mustard, both A and C. Tell me what will be the answer. What is the answer? Primary root is replaced where? It is replaced in wheat. Therefore, wheat has which type of root? Fibrous root. They have which type of roots? Fibrous roots. Okay? Come on, next question. Next question. Subaerial stem. Subaerial stem that runs aerially for some time and then come down is found in option 1 jasmine, option 2 banana, option 2 banana, option C pineapple, and option 4 is your menthamine. Tell me, what is the answer? Subaerial stem that runs aerially. Do you remember how your special one was chased by your parents? Aerially for some time and then comes down. What is the answer? Jasmine. Yes, yes, very good. All of you are answering jasmine. What about banana, pineapple and menthamine? These three are sucker. What is sucker? Subaerial stem will run horizontally and then come obliquely upwards. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Very good, very good. So, like these questions will come, okay? Like these questions are going to come, okay? So, these are your MCQ questions. Practice this type of questions, okay? Now, what we are going to do next? Today, we are going to start with the leaf. Today, we are going to start with the leaf. Today, we are going to start with the leaf. The leaf. Banyan is not adventitious root. Banyan is not adventitious root. Banyan has a tap root system. Plus, banyan, when banyan has prop root, that prop root is an adventitious root. That prop root is an adventitious root because it is coming from the base of the stem. Tap root of onion is different. Sorry, banyan is different. Prop root is different. Today's, excuse me, who has said you that today is last class? Who is giving you all these information? But, chalo, leaf. What is leaf? Let's write down. I want silence now. Nobody should write rubbish in the comment box without knowing anything. See over here. This is your stem. This is your stem, and from here your leaf is arising. Okay, what will be this point known as? Angle will be known as axil, and from the axil what is going to arise? Axillary bud. So how can we define a leaf? How can we define for leaf? Then it might be chemistry sir's last class, other teachers might come. Okay, but today is not the last class because I have to teach you in continuation. Okay, now is the leaf coming for page 3? No, this is for next week's syllabus. Whatever I have taught you till yesterday, that will come tomorrow's exam. Okay? Now, what is leaf? Can you see? This is a stem and this is a leaf. What is leaf? Leaf is a lateral flattened structure. What is leaf? Leaf is a lateral flattened structure. Leaf is a lateral flattened structure that arises from the node. Leaf is a lateral flattened structure that arises from the node. It is a lateral flattened structure that arises from the node. What else is the characteristic of leaf? It is a vegetative photosynthetic organ. 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 And what is the third one? It bears a bud. It bears a bud at the axil. At the axil, a bud is found. At the axil, a bud is found. So this is your leaf. Leaf is a lateral flattened structure. From where it is arising? It is arising from the node. It is arising from the node. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? It is arising from the node. It is a vegetative photosynthetic organ and it bears a bud at the axil. Now, what is the fourth point? It arises from shoot apical meristem. There are two types of meristem. One is your root apical meristem, from where root develops. Another one is your shoot apical meristem, from where what develops? Shoot. Okay, so it arises from shoot apical meristem. Am I clear? Yes or no? Am I clear, boys and girls? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, so it is arising from shoot apical meristem. Yes, Zinat. Apical meristem is also known as terminal meristem. Two types of apical meristem are there. One is your shoot apical meristem. Another one is your root apical meristem. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Am I clear? Yes or no? Someone is asking me, ma'am, from tomorrow exam you will give these questions only. Arey yaar, I am not leaking the paper. What are you thinking? These questions are going to come? No. Matlab, it can come, but I have given you different questions also. So don't think like this that these 7 questions will come. Speedy boy, Poranki boys missing you, ma'am. Okay, Poranki boys, LT boys, okay. I am also missing you all. Madam, meristem. What is meristem? Meristem means a tissue. Meristem means a tissue that is capable of dividing continuously. Am I clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, Poranki boys, May, ma'am, come on May 3rd. Okay. Now see. They have acropetal arrangement. They have acropetal arrangement. They have, what is this? What happened? What I have done? Why it is not getting erased? They have acropetal arrangement. What do you mean by acropetal arrangement? Tell me. What is acropetal arrangement? What is acropetal arrangement? What is acropetal arrangement? Tell me. Anyone? Yes, meristem helps in growth of plant. Tell me. Now, see, acropetal arrangement means small leaves will be at the top and larger leaves will be at the bottom. Small leaves will be at the top and larger leaves will be at the bottom. That is known as acropetal arrangement. Leaves always follow this. Small leaves at the top, larger leaves. Larger leaves means they will be the older leaves and smaller leaves means they will be the newer leaves. Okay? Okay? Smaller leaves at the top and larger leaves at the base. Am I clear to everyone about this introduction of leaf? Tell me. Tell me. Satakshi, Zeenat, Sudeshna, Harshada, Faria, are you all clear? Sara, my YouTubers, are you clear? Now, acropetal arrangement means small or new leaves will be at the top and larger leaves will be at the base. This is a type of arrangement. This is a type of arrangement. Clear? Chalo. Now, what are the different parts of leaf? What are the different parts of leaf? Are you guys studying at home? First of all, whatever is being done in the class, are you studying at home? Okay, good. Are you excited to come in offline classes also? Are you excited? Okay. Okay, super excited. Someone is telling no, ma'am. Why? Nervous? Arey RC, don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You are starting a new phase of your life. You are going to be doctor. And believe me, all teachers of here in Gosalites is going to guide you very well. Fear, ma'am. Are you fearing me? No, 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 no. I am just like a friend to every student. In fact, I tell everyone, don't call me ma'am, call me Didi. Ma'am, Ganguru Paka biryani will be good. Every time you are discussing about biryani, every time you are discussing about eating, every time. Matlab, I am afraid that someday you will tell me that ma'am, please give us biryani treat. Madam, you will again explain in offline class. Yes. No, today is not the last class of gift. How many times I am going to tell? Every time you are speaking about biryani, eating, chicken, mutton. Every time biryani. I am afraid that you all are eating so much biryani. I am afraid I also have a daughter. What I will do that if she also does like this? Very afraid I am. All of you are eating non-veg. I am also non-veg, but every time you are eating biryani only. Chalo, parts of leaf, ready? This is your stem, very interesting. See, this is your stem. And from here, this is your leaf. Okay, suppose this is your leaf. What is this known as which I am drawing in the middle? Can anyone tell me? What is this known as which I am drawing in the middle? Yes, midrib, midrib. Yes, yes, yes. Now, this portion where the leaf is attached to the node, this is known as the leaf base. This is known as the leaf base. Okay? Okay, now this is known as the leaf apex. This is known as the leaf apex. Okay, this is known as the margins of leaf, or you can say leaf margin. This stalk that is connecting the leaf to the node, this is known as the petiole. This is known as the petiole. The entire leaf lamina, this is known as the leaf lamina. The entire body of the leaf is known as the leaf lamina. What does the leaf lamina has? It has got veins. It has got veins. These are your veins. And these are your veinlets. From the vein, what is coming out? Veinlets. These are your veinlets. Okay, this is your leaf lamina, this is your petiole, this is your leaf apex. Veins are there, veinlets are there, leaf margin is there. Now, at the leaf base, some structures are there which is known as the stipule. At the leaf base, some structures are there which is known as the stipule. Okay, I will explain you, Salima, what is the difference between veins and veinlets. Now, this middle portion, you told me this is your midrib. This middle portion, you told me this is your midrib. This is your midrib. From the midrib, what is coming out? Vein. From the midrib, what is coming out? Vein. And from the veins, what is coming out? Veinlets. You should remember, middle portion is the midrib. From the midrib, what is coming out? Vein. And from the vein, what will come out? Veinlets. Am I clear? Yes or no? Parts of leaf. Okay, so what are we going to study now? We are going to study what is the leaf base, what is the meaning of petiole, and what is the meaning of leaf lamina. This is called the parts of leaf. Let us study the first one. The first one is your leaf base. What did I say? Which is the leaf base? This is the leaf base. So what is leaf base? The point of attachment. Of leaf. The point of attachment of leaf to the node. The point of attachment of leaf to the node is known as the leaf base. The point of attachment of leaf to the node is known as the leaf base. This is the leaf base. Now, the leaf base may bear stipules. It may bear or it may not bear. What are stipules? They are leaf-like structures. They are not leaf, but they are leaf-like. And what is the function of stipule? They are protecting the axillary bud. The stipules are found at the leaf base. It may be present or it may not be present. Okay, it may be present or it may not be present. Okay, now this is your stipule. What is this known as? This is your stipule. Okay, so what is happening over here? At the leaf base, leaf-like appendages are present. Appendages means structure. At the leaf base, leaf-like appendages called stipule are present. At the leaf base, leaf-like appendages called stipule are present. At the leaf base, leaf-like appendages called stipule are present. Okay? Okay? Now, may be present. Okay? So, stipules may be present. It is not compulsory for stipule to be present. Stipules may be present. Okay? Now, what is the next point? Next point is, if stipule is present, it is known as the stipulate leaf. If stipule is present, it is known as the stipulate leaf. If stipule is absent, it is known as the exstipulate leaf. If stipule is present, it is known as the stipulate leaf. Indirectly, please wait. Please wait. Why are you doing like this? I will explain what is petiole. I am explaining leaf base now. Please wait. Okay, so have you understood? If stipule is present, it is known as stipulate leaf. If stipule is absent, it is known as exstipulate leaf. At the leaf base, some lateral leaf-like appendages are present. Lateral leaf-like appendages means they are arising from the sides. Lateral means side. From today, remember, lateral means side. Now, one day you were asking me, ma'am, in rose it is spine or thorn. Now I will tell you, you see. Sometimes what happens, stipule gets modified into spine. Stipule gets modified into spine. And that spine example is your rose. Stipule gets modified into spine. Potato, brinjal, tomato, they do not have stipules. Potato, brinjal, tomato, onion, okay, they do not have stipule. Ma'am, if stipules are absent, how can a leaf arise? Leaf is arising from the node, beta. Stipules may be present or may not be present. Stipule has got nothing to do with the arisement of leaf. Okay, what is the function of stipule? If stipule may be present, if stipule is present, stipule protects the axillary bud. If stipule is present, stipule protects the axillary bud. Stipule protects the axillary bud. Just see this person. Yes, yes, Meena. Yes. Okay. So this is about stipule. This is about stipule. At the leaf base, lateral leaf-like appendages called stipule are present. If stipule is present, it is known as stipulate leaf. If stipule is absent, it is known as exstipulate leaf. Stipule gets modified into spine in rose, and stipule is going to protect the axillary bud. Okay? Now, sometimes what happens in monocots? Please see the diagram. In monocots, what happens? Suppose this is the stem of monocots. Okay? This is the stem of monocots. What happens? The leaf base. This is the leaf base. It covers the stem partially or wholly. This is the leaf base. It is going to cover the stem partially or wholly. This happens in case of monocots. This happens in case of monocots. This is a monocot leaf. In monocot leaf, what is happening? In monocot leaf, what is happening? The leaf base is extended. Why it is extended? To cover the leaf's stem partially or wholly. So this is your sheathing leaf base. 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 Okay? Now, what is the next one? Sheathing leaf base. After sheathing leaf base, what am I going to write? In monocots. In monocots. In monocots, the leaf base expands into a sheath. The leaf base expands into a sheath, covering the stem partially. Either it will cover the stem partially or it will cover the stem wholly. Okay? This is your sheathing leaf base. What happens over here? The leaf base gets extended. When the leaf base gets extended, it covers the stem either partially or wholly. Okay, this is the leaf base. This was the leaf base, but now the leaf base is extended over here. Now the leaf base is extended over here to cover the leaf partially or wholly. This is the leaf base. It happens in case of monocots. Leaf base is a point, but in monocots it expands into a sheath. So monocots have which type of leaf base? Sheathing leaf base that covers the stem partially or wholly. Kartikya, monocots. What is the example of monocots? Rice, wheat, maize, etc. Okay, next one. Next one. In leguminous plants. In leguminous plants. Who are leguminous plants? Pea, bean, etc. In leguminous plants like pea, beans. Okay, what happens? The leaf base gets swollen. The leaf base gets swollen. The leaf base gets swollen to form pulvinus. The leaf base gets swollen to form a structure which is known as pulvinus. So you should remember, in monocots you have sheathing leaf base. In leguminous plants the leaf base gets swollen. And what is the leaf base? It is the point of attachment of leaf to the node. At the leaf base, two lateral leaf-like appendages may be present. What is that name of that leaf-like appendages? It is known as stipules. Why are stipules present? In case if they are present, they protect the axillary bud. In case if they are present, no, tab S9 series. Axillary bud is present but stipule is absent. That is not the thing. Axillary bud is present even if stipule is absent. Okay, if stipule is present, they protect the axillary bud. Okay, now what is the next thing I told you? In rows you asked me. In rows you asked me. In rows you asked me. Their stipule is getting modified into spines. And what is the stipule doing? I have already explained it to you. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Remember, in monocots, which type of leaf base is present? Sheathing leaf base. Okay, in leguminous plants like pea, bean, pulses, the leaf base gets swollen to form what? Pulvinus. To form what? Pulvinus. And here was the diagram of leaf which I had given. Okay, next. What is the meaning of acropetal arrangement? What did I say? What is the meaning of acropetal arrangement? In acropetal arrangement, small leaves will be at the top and larger leaves will be at the bottom. Okay, now what is petiole? Indirectly, please see what is petiole. Now, this is again your stem. What is the petiole? Petiole is the stalk. Petiole is the stalk that connects the leaf lamina. Petiole is the stalk. This is the petiole that connects the leaf lamina to the leaf base. Okay? Pulvinus is found in leguminous plants. It is swollen leaf base. It is swollen leaf base. Okay? What is petiole? What is petiole? The stalk that connects the leaf lamina to the leaf base. The stalk that connects the leaf lamina to the leaf base is known as what? Petiole. Is known as what? Petiole. Indirectly, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. No, node is the point from where it is arising. Now suppose this is the node. Leaf is arising from here. So which part of the leaf will touch the node? It is the leaf base only, na? It is the leaf base only, na? Okay? Bud is already protected by sepals. If you know sepals are there, bud is like that, it is already protected by sepals. So stipule is not the primary thing which is protecting the bud. Okay, so the stalk that connects the leaf lamina to the leaf base is known as petiole. In some plants, petiole is present. If petiole is present, what it is known as? It will be known as the petiolated leaf. If petiole is present, it will be known as the petiolated leaf. If petiole is absent, it will be known as the sessile leaf. If petiole is absent, it will be known as the sessile leaf. Leguminous plants are those plants which participate in nitrogen fixation. Naushika, the meaning of leguminous plants. Okay, now what are the functions of petiole? What are the functions of petiole? Now, what is the petiole doing? Suppose over here there is sunlight. Suppose over here there is sunlight. What is the petiole doing? The petiole is holding the leaf to the sunlight. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. This is your petiole. This is your petiole. It is the stalk. Okay. What is happening over here? What is happening over here? What is the petiole doing? It is holding the leaf blade or leaf lamina to the sunlight. Okay. So what is the function of petiole? Petiole holds the leaf lamina. Petiole holds the leaf lamina to sunlight. This is the function. Petiole holds the leaf lamina to the sunlight. No, Sudeshna. Any plant present opposite to acropetal arrangement. See, leaves have acropetal arrangement. You see? Here also, in monocots, where is the stalk? It is having a sheathing leaf base, na? This is how it is connected. Satakshi, this is how it is connected. Okay, by sheathing leaf base, if stalk is not present. Now, petiole holds the leaf lamina to the sunlight. What is the second function? Can anyone tell me? Now, in summer season, you are feeling hot. So you are switching on the AC. Leaf will also feel hot, na? So what happens? Slender petiole, thin and slender petiole allows the leaf to flutter in wind. Flutter means the leaf is moving like this. You might have seen in trees, leaves are also fluttering. There is a noise, na, that leaves are moving by wind. Yes. So petiole helps the leaf to move. Why it is helping the leaf to move? So that fresh air is going to come. Fresh air is going to come to the leaf and it cools the leaf. Am I clear? Yes or no? This is for next Sunday's exam. How many times I am going to say? This is for next Sunday's exam. This is not there tomorrow. Okay, so what is the function of petiole? Petiole holds the leaf lamina to the sunlight. Okay, and what is the second one? Long, thin, flexible petiole. Long, thin, flexible petiole. Long, thin, flexible petiole allows the leaf to flutter in wind. What is the meaning of flutter? Flutter means moving. Allows the leaf to flutter in wind, cooling the surface and bringing fresh air. Cooling the surface and bringing fresh air. Cooling the surface and bringing fresh air. Okay? Petiole holds the leaf to sunlight. Long, thin, flexible petiole. Long and thin. Okay? Like this. It is fluttering. It is moving. When it is moving, what will happen? Water will evaporate. Water is going to evaporate and new fresh air will come. Is it clear till here? Yes or no? It is clear till here? Yes or no? Tell me. Everyone tell me, is it clear? Yes or no? 1,000 times I have said today is the not last class of gift. Still some people are asking. Still some people are asking. If it is last class also, what are you going to do? If it is first class, last class, second class, third class, fourth class, why are you asking such questions? I am talking about petiole, they are talking about last class. Am I clear about petiole? Tell me. Chalo. Now we will move on. Now we will move on to the leaf lamina or leaf base. Now we will move on to the leaf lamina or leaf blade. Leaf lamina or leaf blade. Okay? Leaf lamina or leaf blade. Who is the leaf lamina? This is the leaf lamina, which is consisting of veins as well as veinlets. Yes or no? This is the leaf lamina or the leaf blade. This is the leaf lamina or the leaf blade. What is the leaf lamina or leaf blade? It is the green flattened photosynthetic part. It is the green flattened photosynthetic part. Very, very important. Leaf lamina or leaf blade is the green flattened photosynthetic part. Number one. Number two. What is this? It has a prominent vein which is known as the midrib. What is midrib? It is the main vein. Prominent means clear. Prominent main vein. Midrib is the prominent main vein that gives rigidity to the leaf. What is the meaning of rigidity? Support. That gives rigidity to the leaf. What is the meaning of rigidity? Support. That gives rigidity to the leaf. The prominent vein that gives rigidity to the leaf is known as the midrib. Now, from the midrib, the lateral branches that are arising, they are known as veins. What is this? Veins. What are veins? Lateral branches from midrib. Lateral branches from midrib. So the branches that are coming out from the midrib is known as the vein. And what is the veinlet? The branches that are coming out from the vein. The branches that are coming out from the vein. The branches that are coming out from the vein. That is known as the veinlets. What is veinlets? Lateral branch from the veins. Lateral branch from veins. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? If someone asks you guys and girls, which is the main prominent vein found in the leaf lamina, what are you going to say? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Fast. What are you going to say? Yeah. Sindura, Zeenat, Harini, very good. Yeah. Sudeshna, yes. Kalyani, yes. It is the midrib. And if I tell you where is the lateral branches that is coming out from vein, lateral branches that are coming out from vein, what will you answer? Yes, Sai Charan, veinlets. Yes, Ramya Sri. Yes, very good. Yes, Sudeshna, veinlets. Very good. Very good. Yes, Shaurya, Supraja, Rameshwar, veinlets. Very good. What is the function of veins and veinlets? What is the function of veins and veinlets? Veins and veinlets. Veins and veinlets provide rigidity to leaf. Provides rigidity to leaf. Veins and veinlets provide rigidity to leaf and acts as channels for transport and acts as channels for food and water transport, because what is found in the veins and veinlets? The vascular tissues. Who are the vascular tissues? Xylem and phloem. So veins and veinlets are providing rigidity to the leaf and is acting as channels for food and water transport. Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no? Veins and veinlets are providing rigidity to leaf and they act as channels for food and water transport. If we go to the first slide, let us revise once. When I started the class, there was some technical glitch. Okay, so sorry for that. But let us do the class once. What is the leaf? The leaf is the lateral flattened structure where it is arising from the node. What is present at the node? What is present at the node? It is the angle which the leaf makes. What is the angle? That is known as the axil. Axil will bear which type of bud? Axillary bud. There are two types of meristem, root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem. So where is the leaf arising from? It is arising from the shoot apical meristem. Which type of arrangement the leaf is having? It is having acropetal arrangement. What is acropetal arrangement? As the new leaves are going to get formed, it will be added at the top. And where will the older and the larger leaves go? It will go at the bottom. Am I clear? Yes or no? Okay. Next, this is the structure of leaf. The first structure is the leaf base. What is the leaf base? At the point of attachment of leaf to the node is known as the leaf base. The leaf base may bear some lateral appendages which is known as the stipule. If stipule is present, it is known as which type of leaf? Stipulate leaf. And if it is not present, it is known as exstipulated leaf. And what did I say? In rows, the stipules are getting modified to spines. What is this? What is this? This is known as the petiole. Petiole is the stalk that connects the leaf lamina to the leaf blade. And the main principal vein over here, it is known as the midrib. What is arising from the midrib? Veins. What is arising from the veins? Veinlets. This is the apex of the leaf, tip of the leaf. Apex means what? Tip. What did I say? If in monocots, the leaf base expands. There is no petiole. The leaf base expands into a sheath covering the stem partially or wholly. Very, very important. And in leguminous plants, the leaf base gets swollen, which is known as the pulvinus. Am I clear? Yes or no? Next one. Petiole. What is the petiole? Petiole is the stalk that connects the leaf lamina to the leaf base. It is known as the petiole. What is the function of petiole? This is the stem. Petiole is holding the leaf to the sunlight so that leaf can easily flutter. If leaf can easily flutter, what will happen? It will cool the surface as well as it will bring fresh air. And what is the last one? I have leaf lamina or leaf base. What is leaf lamina or leaf base? It is a green flattened photosynthetic part. The middle prominent region is called the midrib. What is coming out from the midrib? Vein. What is coming out from the vein? Veinlets. Is this class clear? Is this class clear to you? Okay, so in the next class we are going to finish leaf modifications. Okay, okay, done? Yes or no? Okay, 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 very good, very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, now bye bye. All the best for your exam. I have given you 15 questions and I believe that every one of you will get full marks because I have taught you and I know that you have studied very nicely. Yes or no? You will get full marks or not? You will get full marks or not? Tell me. You will get full marks or not? Yes, 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 yes. That should be the energy. That should be the energy till the last time you are giving need to become doctor. Yes or no? This should be the energy of getting full marks. Okay. Now, bye bye. Yes, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. QR code I am giving here. Bye Supraja. Bye Harini. Bye Sudishna. Bye Oppo F11. Yeah, guys, right? Please make me proud. Bye Zinat. Bye Monica. Bye Dikshita. 2 seconds. I will just fix your QR code. Bye. Not enough storage. QR code. Delete give QR code. Bye Shravanti. Bye. I'm just looking for your QR code. I'm just giving the QR code. Okay, just wait. Everyone has written the notes. Now my voice is coming. I think there's some problem with the QR code. Okay. Okay, share to the group. You all will get it. Okay, don't worry. Yes. Chalo, thank you everyone. Finally, bye.